If you're even thinking about trying CGFT, Fine-Tuned Code AI, stop scrolling. These are the 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see why this just released AI software is already getting serious attention from developers, marketers, and coders alike. You can try CGFT, Fine-Tuned Code AI, completely free from the first link below. But before you do, here's why it might become your new secret weapon, and why there are a few things you must understand first. So what is CGFT? It's a finely tuned AI code assistant trained to generate, optimize, and refactor code based on your specific needs. Unlike generic AI tools, CGFT is purpose-built. This isn't just another ChatGPT clone with a code module slapped on. It's built with reinforcement learning from human feedback, and it's designed to actually understand dev logic and structure across multiple languages. Here's the first thing that blew me away: the context awareness. CGFT doesn't just complete a line of code, it predicts what you're trying to build. You paste a function header, and it can generate the rest in your style, often with fewer bugs and logic gaps than GitHub Copilot or Replit Ghostwriter. Second, speed. The latency on CGFT is insane. I tested it against several top-tier tools, and it generated clean, production-grade code at nearly double the speed. That matters when you're in flow and don't want to wait around for suggestions. Third, this tool isn't just about writing code. It reviews it. CGFT can scan your function, highlight logic issues, suggest performance boosts, and even rewrite it for different frameworks or versions. It's like having a senior developer built into your IDE. Fourth, multi-language support. It doesn't just do Python and JavaScript well. It's shockingly good at TypeScript, Go, Rust, and even legacy code in PHP and Java. If you're a full-stack dev, this is a huge plus. Now here's where things get next level. CGFT learns from your prompts over time. The more you use it, the sharper it gets. Your coding style, your formatting preferences, even naming conventions. It's basically an evolving code partner. One thing to note though, while CGFT is powerful, it still has the same caveat as any AI. Don't blindly trust output. Always test. It's a tool to speed up, not a reason to stop thinking. And finally, here's the sleeper feature nobody's talking about. It integrates with your existing Git workflow. You can generate commit messages, write unit tests, and even generate PR descriptions without leaving your terminal. That kind of seamless workflow boost is a game changer, especially if you're working in a team setting. If you're even a little bit serious about using AI to write or improve code, CGFT, Fine-Tuned Code AI, is absolutely worth trying. And again, you can test it out for free from the first link below. And here's the kicker. I've tested literally thousands of AI tools. In the description below, I've listed the few I actually recommend. Tools that save time, boost output, and work in real-world scenarios. Try CGFT first, then explore the others. You'll thank me later.